Let's learn the at words. Here is bat.
Bat. That is a bat.
Wonderful. Now let's say cat.
Cat, bat, hat. We love them all.
हेलो बच्चों, आरटी साउंड वर्ड फैमिली सीखेंगे. सब मेरे साथ बोलो. A plus T equals AT. Very good. अब हम AT से नए वर्ड्स बनाएंगे.
Letter B plus AT equals yay! Bat! Yay! Bat!
Let's put these letters together. What does that spell? That makes a cat.
F. F plus equals fat. H plus AT equals hat. सब बोलो hat.
M plus AT equals mat. Very good.
Matty.
I am letter P.
Hi there, Peter P. Look at us, Pat. Look at us, Pat. S plus AT equals Sat means baitha.
What do we get when we add R to AT? Let us put them all together now. That spells a brand new word, rat.
At, mat, sat.
Excellent बच्चों, आज हमने 80 साउंड वर्ड फैमिली सीखी. रोज प्रैक्टिस करो, एक्सपर्ट बनो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वर्ड फैमिली के साथ. बाय.